Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable extended thinking in Claude AI. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is the main workspace where you can begin a fresh conversation and adjust the model settings before sending your prompt. Starting from a new chat is helpful because it gives you a clean setup and makes it easier to confirm that the option you choose is active for your next message. Once you're on the new chat screen, look at the text box near the bottom of the page. Beside the microphone icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click that drop-down. This menu is where Claude lets you choose between different model options and related settings, so this is the place where you'll make the change. After the drop-down opens, click on Haiku. Selecting Haiku is an important part of this process because it switches the active model selection and allows you to access the next option you need. If you don't immediately see the change reflected, just pause for a moment and make sure the selection has updated before moving on. Next, click the drop-down again. This second click reopens the same model menu, but now that Haiku has been selected, you'll be able to choose the thinking mode connected to it. If the menu closes too quickly, just click once more carefully beside the microphone area until the options appear. When the drop-down is open again, click on Extended. This enables extended thinking for your Claude session. In simple terms, this setting is designed to allow the model to spend more effort on reasoning through your request, which can be especially useful for more complex prompts, planning tasks, or questions that benefit from a deeper response. After you select Extended, you're ready to continue with your chat as normal. A good idea at this point is to glance at the selected option one more time so you can confirm the mode is active before typing your prompt. That quick check can help avoid confusion later if the response style seems different from what you expected. And that's all it takes to enable extended thinking in Claude AI. Open a new chat, use the drop-down beside the microphone icon, select Haiku, open the drop-down again, and choose Extended. Once that's done, you can start entering your prompt and make use of the enhanced reasoning mode.